Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we are going to check how to blur videos out in Canva. And quite honestly, I'm going to use the word blur very lightly because Canva does not have good built-in options for this. So we've selected this random video from Canva, and what you want to do now is go to the Elements tab. And in here, all we need to do is search for blur. Then we want to go see all, and now we can find some free options. The others are paid, but they're not that much better than the free ones, honestly. So let's pick this one here. And as you can see here, these are interesting. But yeah, I would definitely recommend maybe using some other type of software like CapCut, for instance. I'm sure they would have a much better blur option than Canva, and then you can always import the video you edited in CapCut into Canva. Just food for thought. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, hit like. If you know where we can find some better blur options, do let us all know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.